Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Accelerate Biology. Today's discussion is about primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Before getting into our topic, let's discuss about metabolites. Now, metabolites are biomolecules, micro as well as macromolecules, which are either intermediates or products of metabolism. So, a metabolite is an intermediate or an end product of metabolism. So, they are formed during the metabolic pathway. So, now these metabolites are generally taken to be small molecules. The term metabolite is usually restricted to only small molecules. So, these metabolites can be categorized into two types: primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Now, moving on to our first category, primary metabolite, as the word suggests, they are primary, prime, meaning they are first metabolite. They are directly involved in body's metabolism. Now, living organisms produce thousands of organic compounds, including amino acids, sugars, heme, chlorophyll, etc. So, these are required for the basic or primary metabolic processes like photosynthesis, respiration, protein and lipid metabolism, etc. So these organic compounds are called as primary metabolites. So primary metabolite is a kind of metabolite that is directly involved in normal growth, development and reproduction. Primary metabolites have identifiable functions and play known roles in normal physiological processes. So they usually perform physiological function in the organism, that is an intrinsic function. Now, as these primary metabolites have definite role in growth, development and reproduction, they are often referred to as primary metabolite. Examples will be ethanol, lactic acid, certain amino acid, nucleotides, vitamins, etc. Now, secondary metabolites in comparison with the primary metabolite are simple molecules which are not directly involved in the metabolic pathway, as they are not participating in the reaction which are important for the body's function. They are not essential. So secondary metabolites are generally defined as small organic molecules produced by an organism that are not essential for the growth, development and reproduction. So these secondary metabolites are also called as specialized metabolites or natural products. So these are produced by bacteria, fungi or plants and they are not directly involved in the body's metabolism. Now as they are not directly involved, they are not essential metabolites, but they have ecological importance. They can have medicinal use, they can be used for defense, although they can be used as flavorings. They can also be poisonous sometimes. For example, some cyanobacterial secondary metabolite exhibit toxic effects on living organisms. A diverse range of these cyanotoxins may have ecological roles as herbicides and insecticides. Now let's see some examples of secondary metabolites. Under pigments, we have carotenoids and anthocyanins. So anthocyanins are used in red wine. And under alkaloids, we have morphine and codeine. So they are narcotic drugs. Terpenoids, we have monoterpenes, diterpenes. For essential oils, we have lemongrass oils. And under toxins, we can see abrin and ricin. Under lectins, we can see concanavalin A. So under drugs, we have vinblastine and curcumin. Vinblastine is an anti-cancerous drug and curcumin is anti-inflammatory, anti-cancerous and antibacterial. Under polymeric substances, we also have rubber, gums, cellulose, etc. So I'll be sharing few questions of previous year sample paper which is related to this topic. Do go and check the link in the description box. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.